Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and today is July 7th, Sunday, and I want to wish you all, hope you all had a happy 4th of July celebration, and maybe took Friday off and had an extended break. Today is an exciting day after all the months of flying the drone here and seeing progress, but not really earth-shattering, no pun intended, progress. Today we have breaking news, legitimate breaking news that a massive amount of steel has been delivered for the Tesla Semi high-volume factory construction. Maybe now things are really kicking into gear, and it seems appropriate for me to increase my frequency of flying. I may go from bi-weekly to twice a week, and if there's a lot of exciting progress or significant progress that the viewers are interested in, I could even fly more frequently. One of the things that we're going to look for at this point in time is what sort of foundation style are they going to use? Are they going to bring in drilling machines to drill deep pilings like they did at Giga, Texas, or are they going to use a more standard concrete foundation approach? My guess is that those pilings were necessary at Giga, Texas because of the compaction issues that they may have had with the fact that that was all filled in from a quarry. But here's a good look at some of this construction steel and probably other related parts that have been brought in. That's a lot of steel to bring in 2 weeks. I would have loved to see the pace of delivery. And speaking of delivery, we'll talk about the fact that it actually did not come in the main entrance. More on that later when we get to that section of the video. In any event, it looks like all of the stormwater management work has been done. As you may know, if you've been following, quite a bit of work has been done that you cannot see. It's underground utilities, stormwater management, drainage, sewer, fresh water, and fiber optic have all been put in place, and that was some of the initial work that was done. Milan Avenue you can see Milan Avenue right there, and that Milan Avenue had a lot of work done to run utilities up the side of this road conveniently for to put in place probably almost a year ago, started at least a year ago. Anyway, that was this is the new entrance, and this is the entrance that was used for the delivery of all that equipment. The first time vehicles have used this entrance that was put in place just a few months ago. This fencing here is new since 2 weeks ago. I believe that. Just kind of a guess, but I think maybe that's where they will build rebar cages for placement in the foundation trenches or blocks that they may build. And again, we'll look, and we should get a sign pretty soon. All of that foundation work has to be done and put in place and dry before we see any of the big cranes brought in, assembled, and that assembly start with the steel frame of the new building. It's going to be exciting to see for me in any event, and I hope you guys are interested in this too, and we'll track it, and be interesting to see, or if any of the viewers have a guess or estimate of when this building will be essentially complete. Again, after the building is complete, then the Tesla Semi assembly lines have to be installed. And as we know, there's also going to be one other project sharing this building, and I think it's the BYD purchased, not BYD, Cattle purchased equipment for battery construction, and it'll be, for battery, construction. It'll be interesting to see if those batteries, it would make sense that those are the batteries that will be used in the semi, locally sourced, built right on the. We know that Elon is a fan of keeping the logistics supply chain co-located. So once again, we'll get another look at the entrance, maybe get a little better look and talk about it. And this, when we last were here, there was a grader and a bulldozer, a loader, and a bunch of dump trucks removing a bunch of the soil. That mountain right there has been carved out, allowing plenty of room for hundreds of Tesla semis to roll out of here after they're built in late 2025, and probably see significant ramping in 2026. Just to let you enjoy the view, this gives you some perspective. One of the reasons they may have decided to not do that initial rendering and addition to the original floor plan of the Giga Nevada proper building is this is going to be a large building. The space up there may not have been enough, and they may have realized that they wanted, especially with the addition of the Cattle batteries. I mean, this is a huge footprint. To me, I know the perspective is a little deceiving here, but this looks to be as big as the existing factory. So we'll see. I don't think the building will be interesting to see what the square footage of this new standalone building is compared to the existing Gigafactory Nevada. In any event, thanks for joining, and I'll be flying the drone often. Thank you.